Hi friends, how are you all doing? Welcome to my channel TechG31. Today I'm going to show you how to activate app lock on your Samsung Galaxy J7 device. Let's begin. First, go to settings and then accessibility, and here as you can see here it's app lock. There is another way which I'll show you how to activate it. Go to search app lock and here it is. Click on it and you enable it. Before enabling it, just go through what is written over here and then enable it, and even go through these permissions and type and click OK. And if you want to deactivate it, just click on it again and it will be deactivated. Okay friends, this is how you can activate app lock on your Samsung Galaxy J7 device. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.